Number 8 says, know the difference between endothermic reactions and exothermic reactions. Most of you at least are familiar with the word external, knowing that that means outside, and then internal, endo. Some of you maybe recognize this from biology, endoskeleton and exoskeleton. So the two prefixes just mean in or out, and then thermic means heat. So heat in or heat out. So endothermic is letting you know that it's energy in, whereas exothermic means energy is getting out, being released. So for endothermic, is heat a reactant or a product? It's a reactant because you're putting it in. You put the reactants in and you get the products out. So you can think of heat as a reactant in endothermic, and you can think of it as a product in exothermic. And that will become a big deal to us in chapter 17, to think of it as a reactant or a product. But you need the heat to get an endothermic reaction going. So it's a reactant. It gets released in exothermic, so we consider a product. Does the potential energy increase or decrease with endothermic? So do your products have more potential energy or less potential energy? More. You put energy in, so it has more. Products have more. And then with exothermics, it's going to be the opposite. It's going to decrease because energy got released. So should you think of heat as being a positive value or negative value with endothermic? Positive. When you put money in your bank account, that's a positive. When you put it in my bank account, that's really a positive. Plus, it would help your grade. Hint, hint. Yes, but don't be cheap about it. Don't undervalue my time. And then exothermic, it's being released or lost, so that's considered a negative value. So there's a couple more ways to think of endothermic and exothermic.